Rest in peace to the great Dr. Nell. Rest in peace to the great Comrade Arena, Judy Malekere 99. We're also sending messages of speedy recovery, and also sending our prayers necessary for speedy recovery to the family, and also to Karishma. Kechelo also, we managed to see Kechelo go Makarapa Day 2025. We're sending a message of speedy recovery also to him. Also, news came in that Makazi was also involved in an accident, literally got 31, which is yesterday. We also say Afole, her and the rest of her team also a speedy recovery, and let's keep them in our prayers also. 2025 also has a hit list of achievements. On top of Lukompo being part of, let alone included in the Song of the Year, it being in the Song of the Year, one of the greatest achievements that we managed to have, which is something that we're very happy about because we know the 2026 we're not here to play. Well done to Nakwa SA for being the most streamed Locombo producer of 2025 with 1.5 million monthly listeners. Well done to also Shebeshit, who's still behind bars, I believe, through postponement of his trial and stuff. Well done to him also for being the most streamed Locombo artist of 2025 with 1.7 million monthly listeners also. Now, well done to Shandeshile Mazele for securing the crown. Now, what do I mean? Stula or Slender is officially, or necessarily is, the most streamed Locompo song of 2025. Now, this is definitely them having taken this crown from Karishma Lebabete Kakoshabona Chokeslam. We're saying well done to them also. Now, on top of that, they were also featured in the Rolling Stone, which is an American magazine, we believe. They were featured in their top 45 Afro pop songs of 2025. Now, this is the category where that recognizes artists and who had an impact in terms of their songs, more Lukompo, Amapiano, Three Step, and amongst other genres also. So definitely a special shout out and well done to Shandeshi. She's been by far the most consistent, and Diana Lemazon also being very consistent with their rollouts, and being very consistent with their hard work and perseverance, amongst other Lukompo artists also. So well done. Lukompo has won and conquered 2025. Oh, special shout out. I thought ngwanaka ya Janeshi le Hit Boss, I thought we might squeeze them in for before the end of 2025, but I believe sometime this week we might have something great necessarily to announce. Warning by Shandesh, by Sheveshete, also by Kechelo King Salam, definitely is now in the 10 million streams club. So welcome, welcome, welcome to them also, and a special shout out. They did the most in terms of 2025. We also managed to release a Locompo playlist arena. You can check it in our bio, available on Spotify and also available on Apple Music.